Ready to have your mind blown? Repeat after me and watch what happens after 24 hours. But the trick is you have to say it like you mean it. No wishful thinking, no hoping this is going to work. You have to feel it in your heart as if every word you say is actually real right now. Because this sacred simulation you and I are living in is always working out for you. This place is a hologram. There's no past, there's no future. It's all an illusion. It's only manifesting exactly what concept you're holding in your mind. And if you're not already, make sure you subscribe and like this video so you save it, so you can come back after 24 hours and let us know the big wins that are starting to pour in your life after 24 hours. And by the way, too, share this video. Share it with somebody you love that also needs to say these words out loud for miracles to play out. Are you ready? Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out just to be right here in this present moment. Another big breath in, another big breath out. Nowhere to go, nothing to do, just right here, right now. I am starting to see my reality turn to gold. I am starting to see my bank accounts filled with abundance. And I'm adding assurance and faith to what I'm seeing. The universal mind has no choice but to mirror back to me what I see. So now the infinite mind is corresponding to what I see. Whoa! Something just happened to me. Every cell in my being is vibrating so high. An extra $1,000 just landed in my bank account unexpectedly. What a miracle! What amazing timing! I so believe in the miraculous now. The universe has an infinite storehouse of riches. Therefore, those riches are also mine. Whoa! It happened again, but bigger this time. $5,000 unexpectedly just landed in my bank account. This is so easy to believe because I'm in touch with infinite supply. I almost have tears of joy knowing it's already worked out for me. It's happened. It's happened. It's happened. My leap has happened. I can feel it in every cell in my being. My new 2.0 identity has arrived. I get goosebumps by saying this. Life is working out so perfectly for me. I'm a conscious manifester. I feel so much tremendous gratitude for everything that's unfolding for me. Thank you, universe. Thank you, universe. Thank you, universe. And so it is. Now, to solidify this, comment below, it's already happened. Comment, it's already happened. Share the love, throw a like on it, share it with the world, and join in my Manifestation Accelerator in the description to really hone this in. Something so great is coming into your life right now. It's so good. I appreciate you very much.